Hi everyone, welcome to my another lecture on surface integral. This is the last lecture, fifth lecture, the video lecture fifth, that is part 5. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand this very important sum. This sum came so many times in the exam paper. So you will understand in this sum. Okay, don't leave in the middle of the session. You have to see the first to last video, then you will understand clearly how to solve this problem. Very easiest method, a completely different method. I am solving this sum. Okay. So before going to start with this sum, one thing I am telling that you have to see my first 4 video which I have already uploaded, that is part 1, part 2, part 3 on surface integral. First you have to see that 4 video, then this video, then completely you will be understand that how to solve that is surface integral. Actually, what is surface integral? Surface integral is a double integral on 3D surface. That is, double integral on 3D surface is known as surface integral. That is, जितना surface उतना integration करना है. That means if there are 6 surfaces, so 6 integration we will do. If there are 2 surfaces, 2 integration we will do. In this sum, you see, evaluate this at the surface of the cube. That is, this is a cube. This cube is given. That is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to a, z equal to a. That is, edge of the cube is a. Okay. So that means there are this cube having six spaces. So we have to do 6. That is 6 integral. Okay. Then along with 6 spaces, we have to, after getting the integral value of every 6 spaces, we have to add all these spaces. Then we will get the required value. That means here they are asking find the value of evaluate this. Okay. That means we have to solution. Here is the solution. So that means you have to find the surface integral, that is S f dot n ds, n cap you can say. This can be written as S1 f dot n cap ds plus S2 f dot n cap ds plus S3 f dot n cap ds plus S4 f dot n cap ds plus S5 f dot n cap ds plus S6 f dot n cap ds. After getting the value of S1, that is this value, this value, this value, this value, this value and this value, we have to put over this equation. This is equation 1. Then you will get the required solution. Okay. So f is given. Always f is given. F should be given. F should be given in each and every sum. So now I am just writing. See the procedure. What is the procedure? I am just telling to you. So what is the procedure? There are 6 spaces. I have taken S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. So S1 is x equal to 0. X equal to 0. S2 is x equal to a. S3 is y equal to 0. S4 is y equal to a. S4 z equal to 0 and S6 z equal to a. Z equal to a. These are the 6 spaces. Start with when x equal to 0, then that is n vector will be minus I. When x equal to a, n vector will be I. When S3 that is y equal to 0, this is j vector minus j vector, and when y equal to a, then that is j vector, and k, that is minus k vector, that is here is k vector. Okay. So this is the rule: minus I plus I, minus j plus j, minus k plus k. And here x equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to 0, y equal to a, y equal to 0, y equal to z equal to 0, z equal to a. Sometimes in place of cuboid, then you have to do same thing. This cuboid, that is x value first, then y value, then z value. You have to take a minus I, minus j, minus k. Okay. Now f dot n. What is f dot n? How to get f dot n? F vector is given. You see, f vector is given. So f dot minus I, that is it will be this dot this. Try to understand. this dot this f dot n, that is minus of, tell me, minus of x cube minus yz, minus of x cube minus yz, this becomes, that is x equal to 0, so minus minus plus yz, it will be yz. Try to understand, okay? It will be yz because x equal to 0 I am putting over here, and I equal to this dot this equal to, that is x cube minus yz, x cube minus yz. So if x equal to 0, so it will be x equal to a, it will be a cube minus yz, a cube minus yz. Try to understand, a cube minus yz. Then j cap minus j. So minus j, you see, minus j into dot this, that is minus 2x square y, minus minus plus minus j, this dot this, that is my 2x square y. This becomes equal to 0 because y is 0. Okay, y is 0. Okay, so then that is S4. That is j dot this, that is so here that is minus 2x square y. This becomes actually minus 2a x square, minus 2a, because y equal to a, I am just putting over here. Then z, that is k, this dot this is equal to minus 2, and this is equal to plus 2, k dot this, k dot k1, so it is 2. Okay, understand? I dot I1, z dot j1, k dot k1. So this with this dot product, then this with this 0, this with this, j dot I dot k equal to 0. You know this in vector calculus. Now here when it is on xy, it is x, that is this ds will be, this is yz plane. So that is dy dz. ds will be dy dz. When it is x, that is x equal to 0, x equal to a, start, that is you have to take dy dz. This is also dy dz. This is dx dz, because here y equal to 0, y equal to a, dx dz. This is also dx dz, and this is a dx dy, and this is also dx dy. You have to learn this table. Using this table, it will be more easy for you. It is more easy. It will be more easy. Okay. Now, according to this value, I am just finding this value becomes 0 because f dot n equal to 0. So S3 will be 0. S3 will be. I will not calculate S3 because f dot n in S3, this is 0. So this becomes 0. So now one by one I am calculating. One by one. Therefore, S1 f dot n vector into ds equal to 0 to x equal to 0 to a, x equal to 0 to a, that is equal to my yz, this is yz, dy dz. This is 0 to a, it is also 0 to a. So first with respect to y, then with respect to z. This value becomes that z equal to 0 to a, z equal to 0 to a with respect to y, y square by 2, z by 2. Then 0 to a dz. Okay. So this value becomes, tell me, upper limit minus lower limit, z equal to 0 to a, that is upper limit, that is a square by 2 z, a square by 2 z dz, a square by 2 z dz. Now a square by 2 z square by 2, then 0 to a. So that is a square by 2. So it will be a to the power 4 by 4. So S1, this value is a to the power 4 by 4. So now S2 you have to find f dot n ds, S2. So that is S2 is what? Is aq minus yz, f dot n, then dy dz. This is dy dz. So 0 to a, because all are 0 to a, 0 to a. Okay, so now that is aqy minus y square by 2 z into dz. This is 0 to a, this is z equal to 0 to a. This equal to again, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit, that is it. If we put upper limit minus lower limit, then it is a to the power 4, a to the power 4 minus a square by 2 z, a square by 2, a square by 2 z dz, dz 0 to a, 0 to a. Okay, now this value 0 to a, 0 to a, integration 0 to a to the power 4 minus a square by 2, that is, if we integrate this, that is z a to the power 4 z minus a to the a square by 2 into z square by 4, that is a square z square by 4, a square z square by 4. This part I am doing over here, this part I am doing over here. So this is a square by s a to the power 4 z minus a square by 4, a square by 4 z square 0 to a, 0 to a, 0 to a. Okay, if I put upper limit minus lower limit, a to the power 5 minus a to the power 4 by 4, you are getting a to the power 4, because z equal to s ka upper limit minus lower limit, a to the power 4 by 4. So what I am doing here, so I am just putting the value over here one by one, S1 and S2. S3 value is 0, I already told. Now S4, S5, S6. S4, S5, S6. Okay. So what is the value? What is the value? Just I am putting over here. Therefore, integration. Just follow me. Just follow me. Integration S f dot n ds equal to, first value is a to the power 4 by 4, then plus a to the power 5 minus a to the power 4 by 4, then plus S3 value is 0, so I am not calculating now. S4. So how to get S4? Just follow me. This S4 value find, then put the value over here. Okay, S4. How to get S4? This is actually S4. S4. What is S4? S4 2a square, 2ax square. That is f dot n ds equal to 2. S4 is minus 2ax square dx dz. A 0 to a, 0 to a. Because here also 0 to a. Okay. So limit is 0 to a minus S4. So that is z equal to 0 to a minus 2a x cube by 3, x cube by 3, 0 to a, 0 to a dx dz. So now z equal to 0 to a minus 2a, that is minus 2a to the power, here a cube by 3, so a to the power 4 by 3 minus 2a to the power 4 by 3 dz. So now minus 2a to the power 4 by 3 dz integration is z, that is 0 to a, that is minus 2a to the power, that is 5 by 3 minus 2a to the power 5 by 3, 2 by 3 a to the power 5. So again I am just removing this part and putting here the value of S4. Therefore S4 value, now you understand how to get S4. S4 value is plus S4 value is S4 surface on the surface minus, this is minus 2 by 3 a to the power 5. Then okay, now S5 value, that is minus 2 dz dx dz, that is 0 to a minus 2 minus 2 dx dz. this becomes minus 2x 0 to a dz 0 to a, that is minus 2a and dz integration is z, then 0 to a, that is minus 2a square minus 2a square minus 2a square. Now S6 that is S6 f dot n is equal to 2, so 2 dx dz. So similarly you will get, it will be plus 2a square. So here is negative, so you are getting minus 2a square. Similarly it will be plus 2a square. So it will be, now I am just putting it here is minus a square 2a square plus 2a square. These getting cancelled. So answer will be a to the power 5, that is a to the power 4 by 4 getting cancelled. So what you are getting, that is you are getting the answer. Just I am putting all these value here, you will get a to the power 5 minus 2 by 3 a to the power 5, that is 3, that is a to the power 5 by 3. A to the power 5 by 3 you are getting the answer. Oh, okay, I think everybody understood very nicely this sum. So here we are getting that is a integration, this part separately done, this part separately done, this part 0 because f dot n equal to 0, this part separately done, this part separately done, this part separately done, then I am putting over here in this equation, then we are getting the answer. This is a different method, this method, that is applying this table. How to remember this table, you know. So when x equal to 0, x equal to a, start with minus I plus I. When y equal to 0, y equal to a, this is minus j plus j. When z equal to 0, z equal to a, that is minus k plus k. If suppose it is in cuboid, suppose x equal to a, y equal to b, z equal to c, and x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, same thing we will do in place of a here it is b, it will be b and it will be c. Okay, same procedure as in cuboid we can do. So you can solve the problem. I think everybody understood very nicely. So keep watching, sharing, commenting this video with your friends. I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the last video, that is of surface integral. There are 5 videos, 5 lectures on surface integral. I think this is sufficient for surface integral. So keep watching, keep commenting, keep sharing my video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Bye bye. Thank you.